So I have these 2 bikes in my backyard for years. They've experienced years of rust and just weathering, and they're sad. This chain will not stop popping off. But Bryan got the better bike. Who's to say? I'm not mad as shit. Look at him riding all faster than me. Because this one, as soon as I start to pedal hard, it will pop off, and I'm not doing that. I'm not going through it, right, Bryan? Yep. Oh, look at us. I do know how to ride a bike. All right, right as we speak, I'm one-handing it. Okay, that takes some level of skill. If only you fell.
I wouldn't though.
You do it all the time. Oh yeah, Bryan actually, he rides the road bikes. Like he tears it up on the roads. He wears the helmet, the sunglasses, the whole spandex suit and everything. Like he really be biking out here. Fuck. I guess better time than any to do a quick bike chain tutorial. We got a nice and pop chain here. It's stiff and rusty and dangerous, so you want to wash your hands after doing this. You don't want to cut yourself on anything. Some of this can be, I don't know, not on my bike, but maybe some are dangerous. Okay, so first you want to get it aligned, match the teeth up with the gears and I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I know how to do it. So look, little gear first, and then you worry about the big gear. Put it on the top first, and then just awkwardly ease it about. And you see how it's fully on this one, and it's partially on here. So what I'm gonna do is just pedal it forward to finish putting it on.
After fixing her bike chain,
so I've completely lost Bryan. We were riding up some road. I don't even know. I don't know the names of roads. Who knows? Never mind. All right, a lot of people know the names of roads, but I don't. Okay, so sue me. Yeah, we were riding up some road, and I was taking a turn because I didn't want to be on this bike any longer than I had to.
your friendly neighborhood Julie here, just to tell you that I don't blame her for not wanting to be on this bike because it bruised my butt. And yes, I'm bitter.
Because the chain keeps popping. Like if it was a quality bike, oh my god, I'd ride forever. But the chain keeps popping, so it's super inconvenient. So I wanted to turn and head home, and he kept going straight, and I was like, Bryan, come back. And there was an intersection, a busy intersection in between us, and I was like, Bryan, and he turned back and saw me taking a turn and everything, and he just kept going. So yeah, I guess lost and alone. I'm not actually lost. I'm in my neighborhood. Whatever, Bryan. I don't care. We out here. We safe. Chain on. Doors locked. I'm headed home. I guess he'll meet me there.
Please like and subscribe. Other videos will be linked down below. Please give a thumbs up and leave a comment.